Alright, in this video we're going to start to glue our pieces together. We have our two very outside pieces, the neck pieces, the three for the center, and these two that we had cut out and for the mouth. So we're going to start with our center first. Wipe off any excess dust. This is for our dog that we're going to make. And you want to make sure you cover the entire thing with glue. Don't be afraid to use too much. It's better to have too much on there than not enough, because you don't want it to split out when you start your carving. You want to start with your center pieces and work your way out. Going to start by holding that there. You only want to add one piece at a time, otherwise they'll slip and slide on you. You're going to tighten that down a little bit till you get more clamps around it. Make sure you put enough clamps on it to hold it. And go around and tighten it all down. Just wipe off the excess glue. If you don't have it aligned, just loosen up your clamps to get it aligned. Once it starts to set in there, then you're in good shape. There we go. Just make sure you get a good alignment on it. And what you're going to do is let this set for 1 or 2 hours so it has a chance to seed before you add another piece. Otherwise your pieces are going to slip and slide on you. So we'll set this part aside. Then we got the 3 pieces for the mouth, or the bottom part of the mouth. And you'll notice I always number my pieces because I'm gluing 4 or 5 or 6 heads at a time. So it's the way of keeping track. So if you do more than one, be sure you label them. Once you get it set where you want it, then you just tighten it down. Just make your final adjustments. Then again, you're going to set this aside for a couple of hours to let it set up. Then you can add your final piece for the mouth.